Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Alvin from Dahua Overseas Business Center. Every surveillance monitoring requires a clear image of the scene. However, due to low field of view and weak optical zoom capability of some traditional cameras in the market, it's difficult to capture a clear close-up of the target in the monitored scene, which can adversely affect an investigation after an event. In this video, we're going to unbox another intelligent Dahua camera that offers motorized varifocal lens that can maintain the details of the target even after zooming in. Introducing the Dahua Full Color 2.0 Varifocal Lens Network Camera. So here's the camera that we're going to cover today. You can see its model number right here. Its dimension is 308mm by 156mm by 145mm. This camera belongs to the full color series, that's why its packaging is the same as the other full color cameras that we have featured in this channel before. If you haven't seen those videos, the links are in the description below. As you can see, the brand new packaging of the full color series has very rich and vibrant colors, which reflects people's pursuit of colors in life. It is equipped with UV technology that significantly enhances its durability and anti-corrosion capability. Looking at it, it's indeed very noticeable and eye-catchy, right? Now I'm excited to see what's inside. So let's get into it. So here's the product box. Let's open it. Inside you will see the camera and some accessories, including the legal and regulatory information booklet, the installation guide, QR code of downloadable documents, an L-shaped hexagon screwdriver, some screws, RJ45 waterproof connector, and the installation position map. Now let's put it aside and let's get into the camera underneath. As you can see, it's neatly wrapped in plastic. The dimension of this camera is 288.4mm by 94.4mm by 84.7mm. It weighs 1 kilogram net, housed in a metal casing, and has ingress protection rating of IP67. Let's take a closer look at this camera. It has a focal length of 2.7mm to 12mm, covers close focus distance of 1.75 meters, and presents a maximum aperture of f1.0. This camera also offers a bigger field of view. For horizontal FOV, it's 115 degrees to 48 degrees. For vertical FOV, it's 59 degrees to 27 degrees. And for diagonal FOV, it's 142 degrees to 55 degrees. As I mentioned a while ago, this upgraded full-color camera is equipped with motorized varifocal lens with about 5 times optical zoom and autofocus function. To learn more about it, check out this video. This Dahua Full Color 2.0 camera adopts motorized varifocal lens with about 5 times optical zoom and autofocus function that can maintain clear details of the monitored scene even after zooming in. It makes operation more convenient and greatly saves time and labor costs. In addition, this Dahua Full Color camera also comes with amazing AI functions, including perimeter protection, people counting, AI schedule, and SMD 3.0. Overall, the Dahua full-color 2.0 varifocal lens network camera provides powerful optical zoom capability through its motorized varifocal lens that can maintain clear details of the monitored scene even after zooming in, making it suitable for various application scenarios such as villas, parking lots, and retail shops. Once again, this has been your friendly Dahua assistant, Alvin. If you are new here in this channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button below and hit the bell notification icon to get notified every time we post a new update. You can also follow our official social media accounts right here. And stay tuned for more informative videos right here at Dahua Technology, enabling a safer society and smarter living.